Hello everybody, it's the Charger here, and today I'm back with Nishikino Maki from Love Live, sorry, School Idol Festival. This is a 1.7 scale pre-painted figure, and I can't fit it in my frame because it's way too big. Okay, I don't want to stretch this video too long, and so let's get in there. I already had to open this because there was for safe transportation in the post. It was all stuffed with like these massive, like not simple bubble wrap, but like this big size bubble wrap. Okay, and there's nothing in the box. Wasn't expecting to have any more anime figures for a while, but this one showed that it could be here in like very quickly, like in a few days. So I'm very happy about that because everything is falling off. Okay, so that comes here. This thingy, and take that away. Okay. Okay, this looks promising. And for some reason, her nose is all dirty. Oh, why is it like that? Wow, this is the first time I get an anime figure with a dirty nose. But anything else is not. There's nothing else dirty. Legs a little bit, yeah, but it looks okay, mostly. Yeah, this is the Japanese version. So, wait, Japanese bootleg version, I think that's what you call it. Because, like I said, I like not that much picky on the anime figures. I have the one. Wait, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. I have around 6 figures only, which are like the real thing. So I'm, like I said, I'm mostly oh wait, I'm missing something here. Oh, this like. Okay, let's see how she's supposed to be. Oh, she stands on one leg. This will be hopefully not that hard. Okay, I'll be right back. I just need to get her standing still. Okay, so stand is working really good. Can't argue about that. So let's see whether that's the hat. That's goes like this, I believe, ish. Yeah, something like that. So this goes into the hand. Come on, get in there. Okay, come on. Oh, wait. So this thing doesn't want, it's supposed to be standing like this, but it's leaning that way. Well, eventually it will lean back like that because it's plastic and it's a very soft plastic, and I'm not gonna pack this back in anywhere, at least for the closest time period. And I'm wondering what this is. Just like a dent in there. I'm not sure how quite this is supposed to be. It's like, wait, now I need to see the box. Which way? Okay, the roses go this way, so it's supposed to be like. Oh, there's a magnet there. I think. Yeah, there's a magnet. I can feel it's like. Oh, she has a magnet in her head. Cool. So this means that it holds even the top, so that's good. So I'll try to get this so you guys can see how it looks closer and completely set together. All in all, these like bootleg ones, they're not that bad. Like this one, except for the dirty face for some reason, everything else is just awesome. There's actually a lot of detail, for me at least. So yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.